So now comes split in the Congress, ICSC History and Civics, Class 8, Avichal Publishing. Split, the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress in 1906 witnessed a sort of compromise. पहले क्या हुआ था 1906 से moderates and assertive थोड़ा बहुत compromise किया. Dadabhai Naoroji presided over this session and Swaraj was proclaimed as Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So proclaimed as the goal of India for the first time by any Congress president. First बार ये बात आया कि we want Swaraj, अपना राज. We won't be governed by some outsiders. However, the moderates were of the view that Swaraj should be attained only through but we will attain Swaraj but through constitutional means. The assertive nationalists, on the other hand, the assertive log ko kya chahiye tha? They believe that unless they put strong pressure on the government, they could never achieve their goals. By constitutional means, nothing is going to be obtained. This resulted in the split of the Indian National Congress में, इसीलिए split आ गया a year later, माने सूरत सेशन में. तो पहले जो भी मतलब थोड़ा Calcutta session में they wanted to come to a compromise, but only a year after in Surat session there was total chaos and it resulted in the split of the Indian National Congress. This is known as, since Surat में हुआ था बोल के, this is called the Surat split. फिर the assertive nationalists proposed the name of assertive जो थे वो लोग बोले लाला लाजपत राय will be the president of the Surat session. Our moderates gave the name of Rash Bihari Bose. When the session at Surat began in December 1907, there was utter commotion. The Indian National Congress tukda ho gaya, got split. For 9 years, the assertives kept out of the INC, Indian National Congress, se bahar raha. Taking advantage of the split, British log ko bahut maza aaya कि भाई ये लोग भाई तो आधा आधा टुकड़ा हो गया. So taking advantage of the split, the British government took to repressive measures. In 1908, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was tried and sentenced to 6 years of imprisonment. Other leaders like Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Ajit Singh, they were all deported to Myanmar. তখন যাই হতো বর্মায় পাঠিয়ে দেয়া হতো. Myanmar, without any trial even, they were sent to Myanmar. Then comes the partition of Bengal. Lord Curzon, তুমি জানো, he was the Governor General, ওই main architect था of this partition. From 1899 to 1905, he took several measures to check the growing influence of the assertive nationalists. The final act of shaitani unka mischief was the partition of Bengal. Now, what reasons were given for the partition? The government bola ki the government regarded the size of the province to be too large to be properly administered. एक single provincial government कैसे वो लोग को manage करेंगे, इसीलिए. So the argument presented in favor of the partition, this was the argument in favor of the partition, that it would improve administration of the, if they are divided into two parts, it will be easily, both the provinces will be easily governed. The new province जो हुआ बंगाल का, that is the East Bengal, बाद में जिसका नाम बांग्लादेश हो जाता है, it had an area of 106,000 square miles and a population of 31 million people were there. उनका capital था Dhaka, as you know, modern day Dhaka. The partition of Bengal was effective from 16th October 1905. Now, इनमें ये जो वो लोग जो गवर्नमेंट जो बोला, लेकिन एक्चुअली Curzon का evil motives था behind the partition. First होचे to break the solidarity of the Bengali nationalists. and to create যেটা আজও আছে, to create a rift between the Hindus and the Muslims in Bengal. In the new province, East Bengal, that now comprises Bangladesh, jiska abhi naam hua, the Muslims were in majority, whereas in West Bengal, jo India mein hai, Hindus are in majority.